Welcome back to Autopulse, the heartbeat of every car enthusiast. Today, we're diving deep into the luxury and tech-loaded world of the 2025 Cadillac CT6, a nameplate that continues to define American premium sedans. Whether you're here for design, performance, or tech, this car's got something to catch your attention. Let's start from the outside. The 2025 CT6 carries forward Cadillac's bold design language, but this time with a sleeker, more refined execution. The signature vertical LED headlights and taillights are more sculpted, flowing seamlessly into the body. A wide front grille with the Cadillac crest, crisp body lines, and an athletic stance make the CT6 look both elegant and powerful. Sitting on 20-inch alloy wheels with an elongated silhouette, it screams executive appeal. Under the hood, Cadillac has packed a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine for the base trims, which pushes out around 237 horsepower. But the real magic is in the upgraded trims, especially the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 variant that delivers an impressive 404 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the CT6 offers smooth acceleration, excellent highway cruising, and responsive handling. It's refined, yet athletic, making it just as fun to drive as it is comfortable to ride in. Step inside, and the CT6 continues to impress. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, everything feels meticulously crafted. The 2025 model brings a redesigned 33-inch curved OLED display that stretches across the dashboard, integrating both the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system in stunning clarity. It's bright, sharp, and intuitive, giving you access to everything from navigation to media to vehicle settings with just a swipe. Cadillac's latest infotainment system is quick and user-friendly, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. There's a 5G hotspot, augmented reality navigation, and a high-end AKG studio reference audio system with up to 34 speakers that literally wraps the cabin in rich, immersive sound. You're not just driving, you're experiencing a mobile concert hall. Rear seat passengers aren't left out either. With optional executive seating packages, you get massaging seats, individual infotainment screens, wireless charging, and even climate control zones for the back. There's tons of legroom, thanks to the stretched wheelbase, making it a legit alternative to some German executive sedans. Safety. Cadillac is pushing hard on that front too. The CT6 comes standard with a full suite of safety and driver assistance features: automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera. One of the biggest talking points is the availability of Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driving system, which now works on even more highways across North America. It uses high-definition maps, cameras, and lidar to provide a semi-autonomous experience, and it's one of the best systems on the market right now. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Cadillac CT6 starts around $60,000 for the base model in China, which is currently its main market, with higher trims stretching into the $80,000 range depending on options. While it hasn't officially launched in the US as of now, rumors suggest a return to the American market might be on the table, potentially with a more electrified lineup. So if you're watching from the States, stay tuned. Fuel economy is also decent for a large luxury sedan. The 2.0-liter models average around 24 mpg combined, while the V6 dips slightly to about 21 mpg combined. Not revolutionary, but respectable given the size and performance. So, is the 2025 Cadillac CT6 worth it? If you're looking for a premium sedan that blends American style, cutting-edge tech, strong performance, and rear seat comfort, then absolutely yes. It holds its ground against the likes of the BMW 5 Series, Audi A6, and Mercedes-Benz E-Class, offering something distinctively bold and luxurious without copying the German playbook. That's it for today's deep dive. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new CT6. Would you pick it over its German rivals? And if it does return to the US, would you consider buying one? Thanks for riding along with us today on Autopulse, where the passion for cars never stops. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a beat. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep that engine running.